Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add people to your private server in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here we are, as you can see, currently on Roblox. Once you're on Roblox and you're logged into your account, what you want to do is click onto the game that you want to invite your friends to the private server for. Alternatively, what you can do is come to this menu on the left-hand side, click onto Inventory, and from your inventory, if you come to this menu and look down towards the bottom, you're going to see Private Server. So if you hop over to this and then click onto My Private Servers, this is going to display all your private servers. To add friends to any of your private servers, what you want to do is click onto the private server first of all. For example, my private server on Anime Vanguard, as you can see, it's just down here. Now, what you're going to want to do on your private server is come to the right-hand side. You're going to see these three dots. If you give this a click and then click onto Configure, what you can then do is add people to your server by clicking this button here. And you can go ahead and search for people by their username. So you would just type the username into here and then click Add once you've found them. What you can also do is come down to the bottom and you're going to see a private server link. You can click the Generate button down here. What it's going to do is actually generate a server join link. If you click this copy button here, you can go ahead and send this to your friends on Roblox, or you can send it through something like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. When they click onto that link, they're going to be able to join your private server. On this screen as well, you want to make sure you've got these two switches turned on. Allow joining, so people can join your server, and also friends allowed, so that your friends are allowed to join your server as well. So that's basically how you can add people to your private server in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.